Let me show you how I got this living room from this to this. Let's get into it. All right, family, let's get right into the video. So this is the living room that we are going to be transitioning today. As you all know, I recently bought this home. It was an older home in a really nice neighborhood, and I decided to buy it and renovate the whole thing and turn it into an Airbnb. So as of today, the house is actually running as an Airbnb, but this is where we initially started. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got again the living room from this to this. So I bought the home. I decided to put some work into it and renovate the whole thing. So I let my contractor do his thing, and he did an amazing job. Like how we went from an old, ugly looking living room to a more modern looking living room is still beyond me today, but I'm grateful for that. Anyway, so this is just me excited because now the contractor's work is done. Now it's my turn to transform the whole thing. So this is the wall we're going to be working on today. I originally told my contractor that I wanted to make this a full coat wall or an accent wall, but he didn't really understand my vision. And especially when I told him I wanted to put black here, he thought I was crazy, and he really didn't get my vision. So I said, okay, I'll just do it myself. All right, so I went ahead and got my paint from, I think it was Lowe's. I got the paint. I measured the place with my tape. You'll see there I have some black tape on the wall. I started to record the whole thing, but I didn't realize that the whole time when I had my camera set up, it wasn't actually recording. If you are a content creator or an OG content creator, you know this pain. You have felt the pain. You know what this is. This is really painful when you feel like you got a footage or you're getting a footage of something really important, but you're not because the camera died, or maybe your battery was low, or maybe you just didn't press record. That is the most painful thing. Anyway, so that's what happened here. I don't really know which one of the problems I had, but I just know that I didn't record the whole process of painting the wall, except for the little touch up that you see me do here. But anyway, all of the painting was done in one day, y'all. I just came back here one day. I measured it. I put my tape up, and then I got to painting, and I would paint it, wait a little bit to let it dry to see if it was like see-through, and then I'll go back over it. And that is just all I'm doing here. And then some of my lines were not so straight, so again I went back in, put the tape on at the very top, and then I painted it in. And it was pretty easy, y'all. It was not hard at all. And the paint dries as like a matted look. It looks really glossy when you're painting it, which I was kind of concerned about, to be honest. But then it dries, and then it turns into this beautiful like matte type look like you see here. So anyway, this is just me going through and making sure that everywhere is nicely painted. Everywhere from the top to the bottom is completely covered in the black paint because I wanted it to look as professional as possible, even though I'm not a professional painter. Anyway, this is what the wall looks like. Again, I realized I didn't get the full room, but I do have this slimmer look. But this is what it actually looks like. All right, family, so I am here at the Airbnb. This is the mantle. I ordered this from Amazon. I'm gonna put this up myself. I did the DIY TV wall, and that is the wall right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mount the wall mount, and we'll see how it turns out. So this is my wall mount. I got this from Amazon. I have this in my Amazon storefront. Depending on where you're watching this from, it's gonna be in my IG bio. It's also going to be in my TikTok bio. But check out the description box here on YouTube as well. I might leave it there if I remember. I always forget to leave the link. I don't know why, but go to my other social media. If it's not in the description box below, you're gonna find it in my Amazon storefront. But yes, this is a wood tone. It's fabricated wood. It's not actual wood, but it looks really good. It looks intimidating to put up, but it's really easy to put up, and you'll see that here. I love the color. It's very modern. It's giving a grayish but a little bit of a warm grayish tone, and it just complements all of the other furnitures that you will see in the house. And I'm thinking about doing a series of this home decor or Airbnb decor. The Airbnb is up and running, as I said, but these are just footages that I got from some of the decor process. I actually have the Airbnb up and running, and I decided I wanted a mantle here because once I did the wall and we put the TV on and decorated the rest of the house, I felt like it was missing something. So that is why I decided to add the mantle. So I got the shelving or mount out of the box. This is what it looks like. This is the back of it. So these are the holes. I have to anchor the other piece to the wall and then fit it into these holes. And it also has to be sturdy. So I'm just mounting the other piece of the wall here. I'm using my screwdriver to do this, and it's pretty simple, y'all. It's not that hard. There we go. Okay, so now we are good. I'm gonna put the rest of the pieces away, and we're gonna try it out. I'm excited, y'all! There are holes in here, as I said, right? Those holes have to go in here. So this had to be really strong. I'm gonna go ahead and line it up. Okay. Woo! Woo! That looks so good. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. I love the wood tone. It matches the curtains. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. All right, family. Let's dress this up a little bit. We're gonna keep this area very simple because this is the TV area and we don't want to clutter it. So I'm gonna keep this very simple. I'm gonna use this little tray. I don't know what it is, but it's really cute and I love the wood tone. It also matches the mantle. So we're gonna set this here, right in the middle. And then we have these cute little baskets. We're gonna set them here. One here, and another one. These are lamps, y'all. They have the battery operated candles, so they look really good at night. So I'm gonna set another one in here and set it to this side. And that's it, y'all. That is it. I don't want to do too much here. That is literally it for this area. Woo! I love it. It's so cute. Let's fix our drape here so it's nice and neat. Okay. Next, we're gonna bring this chair in. This is gonna be for anyone who wants to sit next to the fireplace. We're gonna add this, the chair seat. This chair is so nice, y'all. The quality is really, really nice. This is the pillow for it. And then I have this throw blanket. I'm just gonna playfully lay it right here. Yep, let it touch the floor. Just playful. There we go. And let's fix our curtain here. All right, family, so after putting up the mantle, it looks so good. I'm still so proud, but I realized that this curtain, the curtain rod is actually crooked. So I decided to fix that. So I went ahead and took it back down and tried to replace the nail and the hook for the curtain. I was putting this place up kind of in a rush because I had so many inquiries about the Airbnb once I listed it, and people wanted to book it. And this was in December. And so I did it so fast. I basically decorated the whole house in 2 days and a few hours a day because I had a lot going on around that time too. So I would just show up. Most of the stuff in the Airbnb I had to build from scratch, like the furnitures. A lot of them came from like Wayfair, Amazon, and things of that nature. So I had to build them. And again, you'll see that series here, but I finally fixed the curtain. It looks much better. And yeah. And that's it, y'all. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Oh my goodness. I love it. All right, family. This is the final look. The fireplace looks amazing. It is nice and simple, and I'm satisfied. I'm impressed. I love it. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at the chair. As I was telling you, the quality is so nice. It's amazing. The color, a very nice chair. And then we have our baskets here, very nice. And then we have our actual fireplace. Well, the mantle. So pretty, right? I love the wood. Then we have our TV above the fireplace. That is it, y'all. All right, so this is where we started out. As you can see, it's kind of outdated, not so bad, but this is where we are now. And this is what the living room of the Airbnb looks like now. Again, if you all want to see the series of me decorating the rest of the Airbnb, this is a whole living room. It has a couch, and it also has like a love seat. It's a pretty big living room. It also has an entryway, and you can see a little sneak peek of the dining room from some of the clips here. But if you all want to see a lot of the decor process of the Airbnb, comment Airbnb down below or comment more decor videos, and I'll bring that for you guys. Again, if you want more information about the Airbnb and you want to see more of the videos, comment Airbnb down below. All right, family. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.